all of our guests, we still have food at the buffet and we also have desserts. And speaking of desserts, we're now having our cake slicing ceremony. Of course, the newlywed couple slicing the wedding cake. Alright, it's now our groom's turn. Matt, you may also give that slice of cake for your beautiful wife. And of course, you have to seal that with a kiss. Alright.